Offering dine-in customers a range of payment options tailored to their individual preferences and financial considerations create a smooth and convenient dining experience. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to settle a bill with multiple payment methods. Let's start. From the Dine-In section, click the customer's table to print the bill. Once the bill has been printed, you can click the Pay Now button. You can also process this from the Running Orders tab. Find the table number, print the bill, and click Pay. Next, enter the partial amount in the field and select the payment type preferred from the options provided. Then, proceed to click the Add button to enter the remaining amount. Select the payment type preferred for the remaining amount, and then click Pay. Finally, click OK. The receipt will be printed, and the bill is now fully settled. Note that you can follow these same steps to settle a walk-in or CRM order. And there you have it. You just learned how to settle a bill with multiple payment methods. Adapting to your customers' preferred payment modes is so easy. Check out our video on enabling split bill for dine-in orders. Want to learn more? Click on the link below to book a demo.